Hi everyone, today I'm making a Ryzen 1920X base unit with a X399 Gaming Pro, as you can see. And I'm going to put it all together. I've partially built some of it because the bits that are easy basically put together without showing you how it's done. DVD drive, hard drives in. This motherboard will take up to 128 gigabytes of RAM. It's a really quite good motherboard. It's probably one of the better ones I've seen. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the build and see what you think. So this is the build so far. The Ryzen processors in there. Obviously the DVD ROM I've already put in. The hard drive I've put in. Which is quite simple. Just put it into the brackets either side and bolt them in place. The motherboard I've got to put in. It's not quite in yet because I had to fit this plate in there for the USB drives. I obviously could put the GTX 1080 in it yet. So next step is I'm going to bolt the motherboard to the board to the inside of the machine. I've put the memory already in, which is Corsair memory, which is unlimited warranty on these machines. So I'm going to bolt the motherboard in, get the processor set up, and then put the graphics card in. So here I am. I've just got to do up the screws in place. That's pretty much it. So the screws are now done up and put into place now. So next stage will be putting the processor CPU fan on, and then the graphics card, and I'll plug that in next, which is there, and hopefully we'll all be up and running. This is the fan I'm going to use, which is TR freezer fan, as it says on the box basically. These ones are specific to this board. You can't use the M4 ones because they don't fit, so if you're going to do it, make sure you use a TR one, which is one I've got here. Okay. Right, so now I've just bolted on one part of the CPU's fan system. Next one will go on the other side, and there'll be the actual fan put on and the cross pieces go on. And you'll see what it looks like after. So the other part is this metal piece here, which you slot onto the fan like that, and then you bolt it in place. This is the part where the fan you take off, which these clips here hold the fan in place, and you take them off first. Okay, so I'll bolt that on, and then I'll put the fan back on. I'll show you what it looks like. Right, next is the bottom part, which we've got to peel off and put your paste onto here, and that goes on the processor and gets bolted on. So this is a moment of truth. Everything's powered on, and we'll just see if it works. It's all powered on. We'll just see if it works now. Fan's going round. We'll see how it goes. Just test it out and see where we're at. So here we have it. It's up and ready to run. Up and ready to run. So we've got to, I've got to shut it back down because unfortunately I didn't plug keyboard and mouse in it, so I need to do that now, and it should be all good. Thank you for watching. This is the Amazon and the AMD Ryzen Threadripper 1920X 12-core processor. So it's all up and running, and we'll see how it goes.